Lenovo is kicking off the E3 season with a big update to its line of gaming PCs. Not always the first name you think of when it comes to PC gaming, Lenovo has actually been making some pretty good systems at pretty good prices for years. What they lacked was maybe a certain aesthetic sizzle. Fortunately, a few of these new laptops and desktops are getting a serious design makeover. The Legion Y730 looks much less like a gaming laptop and much more like a slick professional crossover machine. It's got a dark gray, all-aluminum body with thin bezels around the screen, a must-have for a high-end laptop these days. It looks a lot less like a gaming rig and more like something you'd see hanging out in a hipster coffee shop all day. The only real nod to the gaming aesthetic is a light-up redesigned logo on the back. You get Dolby Atmos support too, which is becoming more popular in high-end audio systems. The close cousin, the Lenovo Y530, gets a similar makeover, but with a more gamery vibe. It's also a little cheaper with a plastic body and without the multicolored backlit keyboard. If you're still an old-fashioned, let's say traditional desktop gamer, there's a new Legion Tower and Legion Cube. Both have big handles for carrying around to a, LAN party, and you can configure them with transparent side panels, cool lights, and even liquid cooling.